If your videos feel a bit too flat or boring, then the missing piece is usually the audio. Music adds the emotion, energy, and the flow, and it can completely change how your video actually feels. Now, the good news is that in 2026, adding music is incredibly simple using Canva. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add music to your Canva videos, and how to control the audio properly, and how to make your videos sound clean and professional. By the end, you will not only know how to add music, but how to use it correctly. Now you can start by opening up Canva, and in the main dashboard, you can simply just go over and click on create. Now once you click on create, you're going to see all the options of the projects you can create. You can even search up videos and then choose the respective aspect ratio and just go along with whatever you want. You can go for a TikTok video, or you can go for a landscape video if you're posting on YouTube. Vertical for Reels or TikTok, and then just landscape for YouTube. Now let's go ahead and simply select a landscape video. Now once this project is opened, you're simply going to see a timeline right here. This is where our video audio and where basically the video is going to be controlled from. Before adding music, it is important to understand why this matters and why you need to add this between your clips, adding sound effects, music, any sort of audio, or even a voiceover. Now, music sets the tone of your entire video. For example, if you want a motivational video, it's best you put up an energetic music with high volumes. If you're making a tutorial video, then you can add in calm and clean background music from time to time, or add in a voiceover. And then comes the emotional video. You can simply add in slow and soft music, or just something that's filled with emotions. Now, choosing the right type of music is just as important as adding it. First, let's go ahead and add in a video. It could be anything related to our presentation, a YouTube tutorial video, or even a TikTok video. Now, this is the video that we're going to go with, and this is basically our entire video. Now, adding in audio is the most important part. So once you're done with your video and everything is looking good, you've added text and you've placed in any clips and shortened them and adjusted everything else, then you can go ahead and add in your audio. You can also start by adding your audio first and either just extracting it from a video and then overlaying it. Now on the left side of the editor, you're going to see the options for apps. You can simply click on this, and then you can simply look at the audio section, or go for the AI music, or just the audio section. Now you get the option to add in an AI music. There is an AI music generator within inside Canva. There are also different types of tunes that you can simply select from. So if you're just creating a tutorial, you can simply select from these suggestions, and then you also have different sound effects, an AI voice hub. You can also have different types of voiceovers. Now this is basically the Canva's built-in music library. You have upbeat, cinematic, chill, and even background musics with different kinds of sound effects. Now you can click on a track to preview it before actually adding it. If we simply click on the sound effects that we want to add in between, now we're simply going to come across different sound effects that are available inside Canva. You can also simply click on AI music and just get it generated. Now we click on this and then we click on open. You can also preview different kinds of tunes inside Canva, and if you like something, you can simply just click on it and preview to hear it. Now if you're generating music by AI, then you can just go ahead and select the genre and simply wait for it to compose your entire music and fit it in the video. And then you can also go ahead and refine it further if you want. And then if you think that everything looks good, simply preview it and then click on add to design. Now the sound has been added to our Canva video. Now you can see this audio bar right below the video, and you can also see it between the layers of your clips. This means your music is now part of the video. Now most music tracks are longer than the video. Usually when you select them, they are already adjusted according to the video and wherever the clips end. But you can also go ahead and manually trim them. If you select an audio, you can even make it longer or simply make it shorter. Just make sure the music starts and ends at the right moments that you want it to start and end. This keeps your video calm and well timed. Now, this is one of the most important steps, which is adjusting the music volume properly. Now, once you click on the audio, it opens up the settings right above. Now, it is best to adjust the volume, so you simply click on the volume icon when the settings appear. You can either make it really high or you can make it really low, so if you're making a YouTube tutorial, it fits with the voiceover, because we don't want it to overcrowd the entire video or make it hard to hear the actual voiceover of the tutorial. So if your video simply has voice or narration, then just lower the music to around 10 to 30%. And you can raise it in different moments where you are just showing something on the screen. Now, if your video has no voice, then you can keep the music louder, and keeping it low is just going to make it seem like there is nothing going on in the background. And then we can just raise it to 100 back again. You can also click on balance all. That means that it's going to be balanced across all different clips. And your goal here is basically to balance. So your music should support your video, not overpower it. Now, to make your video feel smooth and professional, you can use fade effects as well. You can also add in captions if you're using voiceover and just beat the sync. So we're simply going to fade the music. You can either fade it in, so in the beginning it sounds a little faded and it is not jumping directly or just anonymously. And you can also add in a fade out music, and this could simply just be of 0.5 seconds or just according to your preference. This prevents sudden starts or stops in your music, and it makes your video feel more polished. And for better engagement, try to match your visuals with the music. For example, changing scenes on beat drops, and just highlight moments with music when it changes. You can also beat in sync and simply enable this option, and it's going to take a few seconds, and simply just find the beats within the music and sync it together. This creates a more dynamic and engaging experience because you can change scenes on the beat drops and highlight moments with the music changing. Now, if you don't want to use the Canvas library, you can also upload your own music. You can simply go to the upload section, and here you're going to see the option to record yourself or just upload files. And then you can simply upload the audio file here and then drag it into your timeline just like any other track. This is useful if you have custom or trending sounds. Now, you're not limited to one track. You can add multiple audios and layer them. For example, background music, sound effects, and even voiceover. Just make sure everything is balanced and not too loud or too low to the volume. Now, if your video includes speaking, you can record a voiceover as well within Canva, and this is super easy. Go to the app section, go to audios, and then you can simply go over to the voiceover hub. You can add in AI voiceover or simply drop in your voiceover as well. And then you can simply just adjust your music volume to your voice to make sure that it's clear. And this combination creates professional quality videos. Now, before exporting, always preview your videos. Do it from the preview option at the top. Listen carefully for volume balance and timings and just smooth transitions. You can make adjustments if needed. Since the fading out wasn't as smooth, we're simply going to raise it longer so it sounds more natural. Now, this step is very important because you need to preview it before actually exporting it. And once everything sounds good, export your video. Simply click on export. You can also click on share and then quickly download this. Once you're downloading, you're going to see the option for an MP4 file, or you can also get an MP3 file if you're just working with the audio or the music. Choose high quality for best results, and your music will now be embedded into your video. Now, here are some final tips that you need to remember to improve much faster using the audio feature in Canva. First is choosing music that actually matches your content. Don't just pick out random music that you think looks nice. Keep the audio balanced and don't overcomplicate it. Practice regularly, and that's how you're going to scale up. The more you use Canva, the better your videos will actually sound. And that's your complete beginner-friendly guide on how to add music in Canva videos in 2026. If you found this helpful, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss tutorials like this. If you have any questions, then drop those questions in the comment box below. For any queries or any more suggestions for more AI tutorials or just more tutorials on edits and AI creation or generation like this, leave them in the comments as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.